Today's show is sponsored by Babcock Motors. Contact them at 812-666-4685 for more information.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, October 8th. Drama Club will be having auditions for The Sound of Music on October 8th and 9th. On Tuesday, we will meet in the auditorium, and on Wednesday, we will meet in the band room. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. And now to Kaulen with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Tonight, girls JV and varsity volleyball will be playing home against West Washington. The theme for the game is Visco Girls. Comes for Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the weather today, we have very little chance of rain today or throughout the rest of your week. Today we have a high of 74 and a low of 48. Looking at tomorrow's highs and lows, we have a high of 78 and a low of 56. And then on Wednesday, we see the temperature rising a little bit with a high of 81 and a low of 61. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.